Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel, and this is another video on tape exchange. So today we're going to talk about, so a lot of people have these questions, so we made a note of all these questions and we're going to try to answer them. First question is that are tape extensions comfortable? Well, the answer is the tape extensions are one of the most comfortable hair extensions because there's no heat involved. They are very light. It's just the weight of the hair. After fixing these also, you won't feel that you're wearing anything, and even if somebody touches, you can't really make out. So as far as the comfort is concerned, compared to other semi-permanent hair extensions, these are the most comfortable hair extensions that you can come across. Will it slip and come out on its own? No, it won't, so you don't need to worry at all. A lot of people think that what if I fix tape extension and it comes off? It doesn't. The glue is pretty strong. However, once you fix it, maybe while you're sleeping or something, there's quite a possibility that one or two may slip off. Nothing to worry. You can go back to your stylist or you can send it back to us if you bought it from us. We can quickly retape them and fix them back again. So you don't need to worry about that at all. Can I oil my scalp after putting tape extensions? Well, we do not recommend oiling after any kind of semi-permanent hair extension, purely because when you apply oil at the scalp, that's not a problem. But when you have to shampoo and remove the oil from the scalp, you obviously have to shampoo rigorously. Quite a possibility that your hair starts pulling out and maybe it may cause breakage. So I do not recommend. However, like the top area and the crown area where there are no extensions, you can do the oil massage for the top area, but not in the area where you fix these extensions. Can I do my hair spas and all? Of course, you can do these hair spas. You can do the deep conditioning treatments at home as well. Only thing that you need to take care when you're doing these, just make sure you detangle them. Apply a good mask, leave it for a longer time, deep conditioning them. That's how you will improve the texture of the hair and you will keep the hair tangle free, and obviously you will increase the life of the tape extensions as well. Well, a lot of people ask us, can I do tape extensions at home? No, we would not advise. A lot of people have tried it. Honestly, when it comes to tape extensions, you have to get it done from a trained stylist. Because let's say if the tape extension is placed too close to the roots, it may cause hair fall, and if placed too far from the roots, it will just come off easily. So it's not as simple, so I suggest to get it done from a trained stylist. Well, another question that we got was, will it come off if somebody pulls your hair? No, it will not come off if somebody pulls your hair because the glue is pretty strong. So even if somebody pulls the hair, it will not come off. You don't need to worry about that at all. How to wash after fixing tape extensions? So when you wash your hair, like I explained in the previous point as well, you got to be extremely careful for detangle the hair. Do not massage the scalp. Just be very gentle and shampoo it in just one direction from up to down, and then again go up and down. So you keep doing this and remove the dirt or clean the scalp and the hair. After that, apply the mask in the same way. Apply the mask, comb the hair and leave it for good 10-15 minutes and then rinse it. And after that, it's very important for you to use a dryer and natural dry it. This will maintain the shape of the hair. And if you like it too wavy, you probably can also tong the hair with a bigger tong, not like a small tong, maybe a size 32. You can tong your hair and you can comfortably get those waves in your hair. Can I sleep with it? Can I shower with it? Another question is, can I sleep with it? Yes, of course you can sleep with it. It's absolutely comfortable. You just need to take care while you sleep. Probably what we advise whenever you do these semi-permanent hair extensions, to avoid tangling, you need to detangle the hair, like you braid the hair and sleep. So well, when you wake up, you can just open up the braids and your hair is again back to normal. Just make sure, because what happens sometimes when you sleep and you leave your hair open, it gets tangled. So just to avoid tangle, you should braid your hair before you sleep. Can I shower my hair? Of course you can shower it with tape extension. It's very easy to shampoo it. Only just make sure when you shower, use the right shampoo and conditioner. Use the sulfate one. These are a little mild, so it will just maintain the quality of the hair. Does it cause damage? No, it doesn't. Only thing is, when you fix these, you got to take care. Not pull and do not mishandle it. If you're going to mishandle it, obviously this is going to cause hair fall, so you're going to take care of it. Can I recolor my hair extensions? Of course, the extensions that we provide are double drawn Remy hair. So let's say if you've gone for browns and you want to go lighter, you want to add some blondes, of course you can do it. But like natural hair, this also goes dry, so it may increase the dryness. But yes, the answer to your question is, of course you can color it. Can I tie my hair? Of course you can tie your hair. We place the tape extensions in such a way, we leave the hairline area, so that when you tie your hair, it's still the tape extensions won't show. However, when your hair starts growing out, the tape extensions come down, and that's when it kind of, you got to avoid a high pony or something, because a bit of it may show. The answer to your question is, initially of course doesn't show, but maybe when it's time to change. But of course a low pony, and you can braid it, you can tie it, the tape extensions won't show. Will it be heavy on my head? Well, tape extensions are the lightest one, so you don't need to worry about that at all. You won't feel that it's heavy at all. It's extremely light. It's one of the lightest extensions that you can ever put. So as far as tape extensions are concerned, as good as weightless. You'll just feel the weight of the hair. Can I swim with tape extensions? Of course you can swim with tape extensions, but honestly we always ask her to wear like swimming cap or avoid swimming, purely because most of the pools have chlorine, and the chlorine basically dries the hair completely, and sometimes it just tangles your hair. So what happens is, after swimming, maybe you will feel that the hair has gotten tangled, like how your natural hair also gets tangled. So you have to detangle it all over again, deep condition. It's a process. We always suggest that avoid swimming, wear a swimming cap. That's easier, that makes your life easy. Can I work out with it? Absolutely. We have a lot of clients who fully work out with it. They are completely secured. Even if your scalp sweat, they will not come off. So the answer to your question is yes, you can fully work out with it. There's no problem at all. Well, I think we've covered almost all the questions. However, if you've not seen the video that we made on tape extension, please click on the link and go through other videos on tape extension. This will give you complete clarity whether you should go ahead with the tape extensions. Are you the right candidate? Which length you should do? How many pieces you should use? Please click on the link below, and if there's any other questions, please comment in the comment box. We will try to look into those questions and we'll try to answer them. However, if you need any more information on tape extensions, please call up on the number given below, and our executives will be happy to help you. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to Alchemy Hair Extension.